Today's video is to show you how to do an audio overview of whatever subject that you want to understand. So here I have taken the modules of IDT and I have selected only supply here. For this I click on audio overview. Also you can create in any of the languages that you are comfortable with, whether it is Hindi, Marathi, Konkani, Kannada, anything. And you click on here and it will give you a dialog box where you have four options in which format you want to understand the audio overview, or in which format that you want the audio overview. There is deep dive where it is between all of these are between two people discussing the particular subject, and deep dive is a very lively conversation between two hosts where you can actually understand what it is, or they will start talking to each other and they will give you the connections of different items here and there from the source that you've brought. So I have selected here supply and I will get the details about what the supply is and what it is not, and how what is a practical example. So for that you can choose the language from here. So here if you go, there are multiple languages, regional languages available. We have Arabic, we have all kinds of Indian languages available. So if I select Hindi and I give default as my option, and then I want core concepts, what should the focus on, what should the overview should focus on, you can also get this prompt from Gemini, get it written from Gemini and then paste it here, or else you can just add this and it will give you more suggestions too. So here I have given core concepts. I need core concepts. If you wait a little, it will give you more things. I need business examples, I need student perspective also, and I need what are the key exemptions cases. Then I need practical examples. Also I need the business concept or context, or then exam prep. So for all these requirement that you're giving, the notebook LM itself creates a prompt for that. So here it gives define terms like good, service and consideration, create a simple roadmap for classify transactions under GST, identify activities listed in the schedule 3, then provide simple examples to distinguish between barter and exchange system. What are the key differences between supply of goods and supply of services? I need the legal framework. It will show you what the prompt will be, and you can decide whether you want to add it or not. Now comes to brief. Brief changes, like it's a very small topic. Like it is crisp and very highly summarized. So that is to give you just the core idea of things. So you can just delete all these and you will get things. So we have key definitions, we have student perspective, we have practical examples. So I'm giving student perspective and I'll get more suggestions from here. I need exam prep, I need supply exceptions, I need a study guide, I need a concept flow, I need concept flow, I need a study guide. Whatever, everything that you want to add in here can be added, and then the AI will generate an overview based on that. So and you can click generate. You can critic is basically used for a material that you have created and you want to know whether that particular material is enough for multiple cases that you are intended to make a to make this intended why you have made that source. So basically the critic section is helpful when you are writing a book, or when you are or when you're trying to give a presentation. All these things you can use a critic format. And debate is where two people will give you a perspective, two people having two conflictive perspective, giving perspective to each other, and you understanding the perspective from two different people. So you will understand the pros and cons. So one will be pro, one will be con, like that. So that's how debate works over here. For each all four of them you have the option to give or direct the notebook LM to focus what should be focused on creating this particular audio overview. And then you click generate and it will start generating. It takes a lot of time. I tried one with the Malayalam and then another with Hindi. Yes, so if you want to generate an audio overview, since it takes a little time, around 8 to 10 minutes, so the best thing to do is to decide what you want an overview about, put it for generation, and then you do your revision or studies as normal for any other subject or the same subject along with Notebook LM. While the thing is generating, you can also ask questions and it will respond to you. So you can go ahead with the studies while this gets generated in the background. So that's how you can use the audio overview for Notebook LM.